Oh, stop. Stop. What's going on, y'all? It's me, the G0D. It's your boy Trey God, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. And today, we're reacting to the Chainsaw Man AMV Cry For Me. Y'all been wanting me to react to anime music videos for a minute, and you know, we're finally doing it. This is the first one we're doing. If you want me to react to any more that you love, leave them in the comments below. And let me know if y'all want them, like, if you want to be shorter or longer, because I can make these videos longer. This one's just gonna be short for today, and I got another one coming for y'all, so stay in tune for that. And yeah, without further ado, man, let's get straight to the video. You subscribe, do all that. Let's get it. Okay. Man. My nigga, bro, that's my guy. It's my favorite character in the show. Favorite character in the show. If you don't fuck with Aki, I don't fuck with you, nigga. Let me just get out of the way. This show is great. This show is great, bro. This series is great, bro. The manga's great. I need to go read this. Before, because I keep talking, it's just helps I don't remember right. I advise you, you need to go read this. Like fuck waiting for that, nigga. Go read Chainsaw Man any way you can, nigga. Go your local Barnes and Nobles, nigga. Steal it if you have to, nigga. Actually, don't do that. But that's just crazy. That bomb devil. Okay.
So, 本気で殺せるって思ってます？もう悪魔は全部殺す。その先に奴がいる。
私のバディ、君で6人目。全員死んでるの。使えない雑魚だから全員死んだ。
秋の野郎、本気で肉片集めてるか。
今自分が自分を見えなくなってるのは分かってます。
あいつはそのうち10野郎にたどり着くぞ。
That sucks. I really liked her too. I was like, I can't wait to see her more through this story. How wrong was I? Like, man.
おそらく敵の目的はデンジ君だ。
最近少し悪魔の動きが怪しいですよ。
俺のじいちゃんは世界一優しくてな。
誰？
デンジのこと何か知ってるんじゃ
Damn,
な
I
いですか。
probably just spoiled that for someone. That's fucking crazy. I'm so
心臓が
sorry.
欲しいんだとよ。
前までこんな速いペースで。
Well, you shouldn't watch this because you see it now.
この間のデンジを狙った悪魔と
早川
正直さ、
私の口にとんでもないものを入れてきた。
デンジ君って何者だと？
人でも悪魔でもない。
そういや師匠が言ってたな。悪魔が恐れるデビルハンターは強いやつでも勇敢なやつでも
さあ、恐れるデビルハンターはな、頭のネジがぶっ飛んでる。サハラはだから死んだ。昨日うちを思うと
I am so immersed right now, bro.
$1本あげる。
骨が腐るからです。
デビルハンターなんて短命なんだから吸っちゃえばいいのに。デビルハンターは身近な死になりすぎて涙が出なくなる。長い付き合いになりそうだから吸ってほしいな。
Such a great relationship, bro. Like, it just sucks because I really wanted to see, like, oh man, it's like there's so much shit they could have done with her. They can't. They can't. I'm not mad at it though. Love an anime that's not scared to kill off characters.
1本だけ吸ってやれ。一生で吸うタバコはこの1本だけだ。
やったー。
She can get it too. Just get it. That Katana Devil looks so clean, bro.
民間に転職しない？銃の悪魔と戦ったら絶対ヤキ君は殺される。銃野郎なんて追わなくてもさ、お昼はここかどっかで食べて、帰りはたまに映画行って、 そういう毎日でいいじゃん。アキ君は死なないでね。私が死んだ時さ、泣いてほしいから。
Oh, stop. Stop. This fuck. Oh, man. Yo, that was fire, bro. Call him Kenny, bro. Call him Kenny. That was tough. That was real fire, bro. That was amazing. That almost, we should have maybe should have thugged here, bro. Shout out to I forgot how the fuck you say her name already. Goddamn it, Himenito, rest in peace. Shout out to my nigga Aki, and shout out to you for saying at the end of this goddamn video, cause that's the end. And I appreciate you watching. If you fucked with the video, leave a like. If you want more anime music videos, comment down below. Thank y'all for watching. It's been your boy Trey God, and I'm out of here. Peace.